How to decrease lagging in Capcut. Here come some tips to decrease lagging while working with Capcut. The first thing you can do is to click on the menu here at the top, then choose Settings. Go to the Project tab and clear the cache size. Then go to the Edit tab and set the frame rate for 24 FPS. On the Performance tab, check if the proxy mode is turned on. Finally, click on Save. Another good practice to avoid lagging is to close all other programs or windows that you do not need to work at the moment you are editing a video. If this video was helpful for you, touch the subscribe button and share it with your friends so you might help other people too.